Today we are looking at a Retsch cross grinder. You can see this unit is a type SR3. This unit is in really good condition. The unit has not seen a lot of use. It has the factory catch basin right there. That is quick attach. The unit is equipped with a 2 horsepower 3-phase electric motor. This unit is in very good condition overall. Here's a look at the inlet spout. See? And here is a look inside the unit. Look at the impeller. You can see it has a very fine screen in it. And then here you can see the face of the impeller chamber. Here you can see we have pulled out the stationary screen. You can see it has one patch there and it has one hole in it there. We don't have anything to hide with this unit. This is a look at the outer chamber. It's in very good shape. The impeller is in excellent shape as well. No damage to the impeller. I want to also make note that this unit is changeable. You can simply just loosen these screws up on the screen here, and then the mesh can be changed inside, and this unit could be used as a huller as well. Right now it is set up in a grinding configuration. Here you can see we have the stationary screen installed. It simply pulls out and then nests with 2 locating dowels there and there. Again, this screen is easily changed just by pulling these screws out, front and back, and then you can change this screen or mesh to whatever size that you would want for hulling or grinding. Here you can see we have the unit closed up. Runs very nice. A very nice unit all the way around, ready to go to work. Like I said in the video several times, the screens can be changed inside the chamber, and this unit can be used as a huller or a grinder, depending on the screen you want to install. We have the unit shut off now. Please see all of our other listings for all other seed, grain, and feed processing equipment. Thank you for watching.